moves.
All right.
They're too cool. That's cute. What's going over there? Do what? I don't know.
Oh, that's William.
Yay.
Yay,
That's too cute.
Sorry, we just had to do that.
And it was perfect because it went right after him.
Oh, you got a
He
snake?
lifted that boot up like, oh no.
What'd he say?
It's a party.
It's a party. I thought he said something.
Did he like that Robin?
Oh,
Shoot!
excuse
What
you.
was that?
Excuse you, William.
Don't open too hard and bust it.
Oh, it's for both of us? Oh, open it. That's for both of us.
Oh.
Open it so I can see it. Video it.
So you can see it?
I'm going to video it. I don't know.
I know you keep on getting.
What is it?
Got him again.
Moat. Control. Oh, I like that. Caddy. Yeah, I'll use that. Mine will. That's cool. What's it?
Caddy. Control spinning.
Cuddle update. Oh, that's cute.
Yes.
Don't knock that on wet.
It's just a part of the modern times. Everybody has stickers.
Where's the baby? Y'all still waiting patiently? Look at these two boys. They're like, wait. Don't be long. What was that? Oh, I didn't get it on video. Dang it. Do it again. Repeat. That's a repeat. Repeat.
Whoa. Hey, I like these. Santa, thank you.
Is that pajamas?
Yeah. Look. You got some pants.
They're like
Yeah.
little blankets for your...
Oh, poor boy. I know it. I think.
What's the matter,
They sitting there waiting patiently. Look at. They're like, we ain't getting nothing.
Yo, Jay, what's up? All the...
She's doing. She's trying to mess with y'all.
Cool.
What's this, John?
Yeah.
Oh, come out of
I
it.
needed a can opener real bad.
What in here?
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Luke, you got Bart Bart? Emmy.
Emmy, it's a grown-up Christmas this year.
And the kids are like.
Oh, wait a minute. It's grown up and will.
Yeah.
Grown ups and will. Look, see?
That's what you get for Christmas. You get to watch us do Christmas.
Oh. That's silly.
Cloudy faces.
So funny. Yeah, but it's like the kid that gets picked last, though, you know. Makes. But I like to get picked last. I don't care.
Oh, crap.
Oh, what? You got one? He said, finally.
Look at Matt.
Matt's like, where's
He's
mine?
like,
What is it, LJ? Woo, fun. Y'all can throw them back and forth. I used to love those.
Don't get them wet. Whatever you do.
They won't work when you get them wet.
Inside will pour out.
Oh, I didn't know that.
All adults plus William and LJ.
this morning I was talking to him.
I always get something for my grandkids I'd listen to for a month talk. Aw. He's over there sneezing again.
The colors.
Look, he's reaching for it already. Don't scream, Matt.
I didn't scream.
Who was it?
I wasn't me.
Silly boy.
Wasn't me.
Stevie, you got another one.
I'm only hitting the same 4 people.
That's okay.
Well, you
Yeah. Look, which one did you get, Robin? Let's see. Huh? Look, John, that's one of Rob Wesley's. Don't drop it. That was at the zoo, wasn't it? Yeah. Oh, I like that. Emmy, what'd you get?
I want to see.
Let me see, baby.
We'll look at you this time.
And lip gloss.
Oh, cool. Lip gloss.
Did you finally get something, baby?
Huh?
I've been eating stuff for
That's Robin or Wesley's. John, get that. Oh, you got it. Justin just now got one.
I'm not pouting.
Are you
I know.
over?
What?
Oh for one.
What did that mean?
Over.
Oh for nothing.
Nothing? No? Zilch? Zero? Here, Matt. Here, you can have my t-shirts.
You already got some, didn't you? Ooh, foam slippers. Those would be comfortable.
I meant to hit Uncle Kevin, but I actually put it in the trash can.
I got it when Macy's was going out of business.
You got what? What?
Oh, boy, he's going at it.
What'd you get?
I meant to hit him.
Golly.
Come on, give
Oh, hey, choo choo. Don't let Luke see choo choo. I know he is. Young as he is, he's playing with it. Wow. How old is he now? Justin, how old is he now?
3 months almost.
And he's already playing with toys? Wow. Dang.
Don't do that.
No, not at 3 months old.
Maybe like 5 and 6.
Jeez.
You're smart.
Look, he's very,
You're smart, aren't you? We got some
very
smart kids
focused.
in this.
Yeah, all these kids are smart.
Oh, crap.
Come on, put that on YouTube. You saying, oh crap.
I got it.
Keep it up, Tracy. It's one on YouTube. There you go. The dancing ant.
I think you had my nose where her butt was.
That would be funny. I hope so.
picture Nazi.
Look at Mama in the box. There's Mama in the box.
Mama in the box.
That's our present. We'll take Mama on the box. What's wrong, Luke?
I just noticed your shirt, Kevin. The Charlie
Feeling
Brown
good.
A boy present. Boy present.
Matt's like, dang.
Come on. Come on the mat.
It's a knife.
Remember when I got this price?
Swivel store.
Whoa. It's a thermometer.
Come on, give on the mat.
It's 30 cents.
Come on, man.
What's it for? What are they for? What is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Let me see. It's okay. You can get some. Indoor weather station.
Darn it.
Oh.
All of mine's gonna be in the back.
Oh, we forgot to tell you. Your 13th year is no present.
Look, Mom didn't get it. Look, Mom. Matt, Mom didn't got one yet either.
We all had to go through too, buddy.
Don't eat the Christmas paper. Take it out of your mouth. Robin.
He pouted and went back to the back room and got his old Ninja Turtle outfit on.
Who did? Stevie? You like start painting when you did that?
Hey,
I don't remember
when I
that.
looked at that picture, it's like the darkest picture of these 4 kids, but they didn't even know it. They were like, we are so cool. Put the turtle nose on.
We're driving down all the Ninja Turtle today, and there was a grown man. I mean, grown man
Oh,
with a Ninja Turtle backpack on.
Are you serious?
The hard shell one.
What?
Oh yeah.
That's
probably a collector's item.
Yeah.
She's like,